All right, Ms. Brown.
What?
We had this conversation before, okay?
This is the city ordinance.
Okay, so you're sitting in a chair on sidewalk trying to sell a service that's not.
It says it's exempt for street performance.
Okay, you're not performing a service. Yeah, no, like I told you before.
You don't.
You do.
I went down to the station.
Okay.
I talked to the sergeant.
Okay. Who'd you talk to?
It was a female sergeant, badge number 12.
Okay.
And she said she was going to talk to you.
Okay.
I mean, this is the city ordinance. It's right here.
Male, and I'm not a sergeant, and I'm badge number 12.
No, she was wearing badge number 12. She's a sergeant. I mean, it's right here. And this is street performance. This is busking. I'm telling stories. In fact, there's a copy of one of the written ones. This is legitimate. That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
It really is. I mean, I'm not panhandling. There's nothing that says homeless. I'm not harassing people.
Well, you are panhandling because you're not a professional. You're not truly selling a service.
Yes, I am.
You're not. So
that's not true.
So you putting that out, like we had this conversation before, you putting that out, you are panhandling.
No,
okay?
No, I'm not. This is not panhandling.
Okay.
Nobody gives me money unless they come up and ask for a story. I tell them, and every single person that has approached me and has heard a story has donated money. Every single one, unless they said right from the start, I don't have any cash on me, can I hear a story anyway?
You're still sitting in a chair on Broadway.
Which is exempt.
It's not exempt. It's not exempt.
It says
you're
right
not
here.
You're not a professional.
Exemptions.
You're not selling a service.
Yes,
you don't
I
have
am.
a permit. Okay?
I am selling a service. I am telling stories.
Okay.
Do
you pay taxes for the service?
I don't know if I'm going to make enough to exceed the tax threshold.
Oh.
Okay.
Well, that was a good response for a tax that you don't have.
I was a tenured high school math teacher. I know my mathematics, okay? You need to exceed $5,000. I don't think I'm going to make that.
So as a street vendor, you need to exceed $5,000. By you providing a service as a vendor, you need to exceed this, or otherwise you don't have to pay New York State tax when you provide a service to somebody. So I can go get a hot dog stand, set it out here, as long as I don't exceed $5,000.
If your income is below $5,000, you do not have to file taxes at all.
Well,
I know what I'm talking about.
Let's jump to the point. You're not a professional. You don't have a permit, okay? You're sitting in a chair that's against the camping rules.
You do not need a permit.
Okay, stay right here. We're done.
Understood. So can I continue to do this? She just gave me $4 for a story.
Like I said, go talk with Sergeant Lankins or Perkins, who's down there. I don't know which one.
All right.
Get some further clarification from them. You can pull up section 205.
More than likely, you're going to be allowed to do whatever, but probably not sit down.
But there's an exception. The reason why it is an exception for street performers is because for certain busking activities, you would have to sit. If you were playing the drums or the cello. The reason why I sit is because people are more comfortable approaching me. It's less intimidating, you know? If I'm standing...
Like I said, you took a picture of your setup.
Yeah.
Sergeant Lansing and Perkins are there, so you know where to go. Just ring the bell and just say you want to talk with them about the camping city ordinance. And I'll probably head back too and talk with Sergeant, get the clarification from Lankins or Perkins from what they say.
Okay, all right.
All right, Brian.
All right, Brian.
Have a good day.
Competitive, okay?
I told the commissioner I have a legitimate medical issue. I have documentation of it. He didn't want to see it.
Definitely. Where's this chair from?
Cantina.
Okay, do you have permission to have it?
Yes. And that's the manager.
Okay. You just can't be sitting in the chair. You can stand all you want. You can't be sitting in the chair.
I can't stand with this knee.
Okay.
I can't.
All right.
I can't. So they're just.
All right, just bring that medical proof to court. All right.
That's what I'll do. Yeah. I mean, I don't know why that wasn't sufficient for the commissioner, but he didn't want to see it.
Okay. All right. All right. Have a good one.
Okay.